morning from the northern part of Koh Samui. So we made it yesterday to Quan Beach Resort. We ended up leaving Sandalwood, which is a tough leave. It was absolutely beautiful at Sandalwood's. Right now we're getting some breakfast. And yeah, today we're heading to an elephant sanctuary. That's what David was just asking about, and I'm not heading there. My stomach's not feeling that great this morning. I honestly have to believe it's probably from all the food we've eaten non-stop, piled in ice cream, just food everywhere. Oh my goodness, the last couple days. It's kind of a struggle this morning, let's say. So David and Dustin, they're gonna be heading to Koh Samui's elephant sanctuary. They only have one on Koh Samui, which I'm a little sad that I can't go. I wanted to vlog this really badly. I'm gonna chill in the resort and do some editing, probably relax at the pool. We have a 2 o'clock island tour, so we're gonna be running around the island today. God, I wanna eat that so badly, but I can't.
Yeah, you should only drink, eat liquids and bread.
Dr. David. See you later. Bye Dustin, love you too. And yeah, I used to pride myself for being healthy. I used to play tennis 4, 5, 6 days a week. I'd go to the gym 4 or 5 days a week. I used to surprisingly eat legitimately healthy somewhat at one part of my life, let's say, where I was eating salads daily. Since this trip started 3 months ago, I know I promised to you guys, I promised myself that I was gonna stay healthy, stay consistent, go to the gym, which I haven't. I think I'm gonna up that up a notch in the next few weeks, where I'm gonna start having a process, start going to the gym, and try to get a little healthy. And this is our villa. This is our private pool. Hello. And she's doing our bed, but this is Quan Beach. We have a duplex with a private pool, so this is the pool. My room's upstairs. David's been sleeping down here, and this place is absolutely beautiful. We're in the northern part of the island, which is a little different. I like exploring different parts of the islands, staying at different places, and Quan Beach Resort is absolutely beautiful here. Oh, my stomach's feeling a little funny, so I'm gonna probably just relax today, get some editing in. We have a tour at 2 p.m., so I'm hoping I feel better by 2 p.m., and I'm hoping I can get this vlog out. Ugh. All right, flip-flops on. Let's go! All right, I'm feeling a little bit better right now. The guys just got back from Elephant Sanctuary. How was it?
Oh, it was so much fun. We got to feed all the elephants, the baby ones including bananas, watermelons. We got to understand like why they're doing this, the cost. We found out there's some really good people in Thailand.
Yeah, and there's not many like that. Elephant sanctuaries are the place to do it. Don't do elephant tracking, don't support any businesses whatsoever that has you riding on elephants and doing unnatural tricks. I'm gonna link Black Tusk below. I've done this before. It's Christian LeBlanc's vlog or video on elephant riding in Thailand. So definitely if you see an elephant sanctuary, I would highly recommend check that out. We're about to start our tour right now. And I've been saying kapun ka most of the trip. Someone actually commented and someone actually DM'd me and said it's kap. Kap is for male, ka is for woman. So I've been saying it like I'm a woman recently. It's okay. And right now, yes, we're heading on a 4-hour tour with Quan Beach Resort. I think we're heading to Big Buddha first, then we're gonna check out some temples. And it's funny, I've been out in Southeast Asia here with Dustin for the last like 3.5 months. We've seen so many temples and David hasn't even seen one yet. So we're gonna check out a temple right now. Kapun Kap. All right, so after like a 20-minute car ride, we made it to Big Buddha. We're not stopping at the temple first, we're stopping at Big Buddha. And these are all little Buddhas. And there's the Big Buddha. That's a Big Buddha. The Big Buddha statue sits on Koh Samui's northeastern corner, and it was built in 1972 and remains as Koh Samui's one of their most popular attractions. You can see it from many, many places on the island. And the Big Buddha statue depicts a time of enlightenment, or the Buddha's journey to enlightenment, where he basically passed off all the evil spirits and just ignored all the devils and demons and everything, and he's sitting in a very calm and steady posture. The pose of the Big Buddha statue is a symbol of steadfastness, enlightenment, and purity. And it is a pretty big Buddha out here. Quick little stop up there at Big Buddha. I am sweating like crazy. There's literally sweat dripping down my nose right now. This is the sunniest and nicest and it's been all over Koh Samui so far in our trip. Fortunately and surprisingly, it's our last day in Koh Samui and it's the sunniest. And when you get here, you can see that there's little shops, there's little stores. You can buy little mini Buddha statues and little mini Buddha necklaces. And there's even stores out here that sells t-shirts and drinks and popsicles and lots of elephant pants you could see. Nice. Kapung kap. So for 70 baht, you get a fresh coconut. It's like about $2, a little more than $2. And the coconuts out in Southeast Asia are so fresh, so delicious, and they taste so good. All right, back in the car. This is our car, right?
Is this ours?
Oh, this is That was so awkward.
Hello. He's
hello.
Like
Yeah, he was napping.
All right, let's go to the next destination.
All right, hopefully this is our guy. Kapung kap. So where do we go now? A temple. And we made it to Wat Pa Lim Temple. I think that's how you say it, but this is kind of cool. The temple's right over here. It's like on the water. You have beautiful surroundings. You got another temple over there. And this place is absolutely beautiful. You could feed the fish, you could feed the pigeons here. That's what I've read, and here's some fish feeding action going on right here. Ooh. Ooh. Those are big fish. Wow, they're literally like 2 feet long, 2-3 feet long. That one's huge right there. My goodness. Oh, this is a beautiful temple. Alright, we got an awesome shot like this together. And we are heading to the other temple right now. The architecture here is absolutely beautiful. It is super pretty here. I'm gonna try not to hit these wires. Jesus. And we're gonna go check out the other temple right now. So this is how it feels like to be Shaq. Jeez. Oh. All right, so we're not gonna go to a temple. I'm so templed out. David's a little templed out from seeing only 2 temples. And we're gonna head to Grandfather Rock right now. You'll see why it's called that too. And after like a 30-minute drive, we went from one side of the island, the westernmost side, to the eastern side. We are at Grandmother and Grandfather's Rocks. So right when you're walking in, you could just see there's a lot of different shops here. This is the main parking area for it. That's Grandfather Rock, and you could probably see why it is basically called that. David, what are you doing there? Jesus. Oh, David. And yeah, so these are the infamous Grandfather and Grandmother Rock. When you come out to Grandmother Rock, you can get a Thai massage. Look at his face. Oh, he's loving it.
He's smiling.
He's smiling. Peace out, Grandfather. All right, as you see why it's called Grandfather from the drone shots. Oh, he was totally passed out. Back to the hotel. No sunset spot. Sunset's gonna be a little later than usual, but we have something special planned out for that. It was an awesome day. We did skip out on one temple, just because I'm templed out. Dustin's a little templed out. David is...
I just don't care.
He doesn't care as much, but we're gonna head back to the hotel right now. It's about a 30-minute drive from Grandfather Rock, and we're gonna chill for the night until dinner at 7. So it's like 7 to 7 right now. We're almost at dinner time, and this is gonna be a special dinner because it's David's birthday, and he doesn't know that I have the cake set up for him. Shh. Gotta be quiet. He's already outside, so we're gonna head to dinner right now. Here's the keys. There's the birthday boy right there.
Vlog day.
He has no idea. I love that. And yeah, we just hung out at the villa for the last hour and a half, 2 hours since we got back from the tour. I took a dip in the pool. The pool feels amazing right now. Even yesterday night, the pool felt amazing. And our dinner is about 30 feet from our villa. Wow, look at that. That is beautiful. Fire, baby, fire. Cheers to, I'd say, the birthday boy coming thousands of miles to hang out in Thailand and celebrate his 24th birthday out in Thailand. 24?
Yeah, 24.
24. Such a baby.
Cheers to the people who love us and the lucky bastards who get to meet us.
I'm very happy right now for a reason. Oh my god, that looks delicious. Kapun kap. So this is the Black Angus beef with truffle sauce and truffle mashed potatoes. Oh my goodness. Alright, first time ever having duck on his birthday. It tastes like chicken. It tastes like chicken, but better, right?
Yeah, chicken, exactly.
And I would do this for no one else. Maybe one other person, but here you go, David. Ooh, to the birthday boy. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Woo!
Thank you. Thank you.
Make a wish. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Happy birthday, buddy.
Thank you.
That's all you. You gotta eat the whole thing now.
Nah, you will.
There you go. You get the first piece. This looks delicious. Oh my goodness. Let's try the birthday cake. Oh, you're gonna cheers? Oh, okay, cheers. The cake is so good. I had one huge piece. I don't know if I can eat any more.
Oh, it's delicious.
But yeah, it's been an incredible trip for the last 5 nights in Samui. Let's say 4 nights. Tonight's our 5th night. Tomorrow we're heading out to Koh Tao. And it's been an incredible stay from being on the southern east side of the island. Can't talk. To the north side of the island right now. Quan Beach is a great place to stay at. I would highly recommend it here. The food is delicious, let's just put it that way. 2 nights in a row we ate at this restaurant. It's absolutely delicious. Tomorrow morning we head out to Koh Tao. So there's gonna be some Koh Tao vlogs coming up before I head back to Bangkok. And then I'm gonna be going on a little vacation, which I'll be telling you guys about in the next vlog or 2. Besides that, it's been an awesome stay at Quan Beach Resorts and at Sandalwoods for the last week in Samui. Tomorrow we head to Koh Tao. The ferry's gonna be at 12:30. And yeah, be on the lookout for the Koh Tao vlogs. You guys know what to do. Hit the like, comment down below for the heck of it, say hello, hit that notification bell so you guys are notified in the next vlog, and look out for the Koh Tao vlogs. Have a good night, guys. And this is what I do for my best friends and special friends. They get birthday cakes. Happy birthday, buddy.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Mm.